Hello, Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is me, Umar Farooq Sumro, subject teacher of English class 5. So, students, I hope all of you are enjoying your online classes. So, as I delivered my second lecture about lesson number 2, words, many students showed good response in their homework. Now, what you have to do in lesson number 2, our topic is about plural countable compound nouns. Our topic is plural countable compound nouns from your book. So what we have to do now, we have to understand the term plural countable compound nouns. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do, we have to understand the term plural countable compound nouns. For your easiness, I have distributed this topic into parts, so as you can understand it very easily. Okay, so the objectives about this chapter for you students will be defining noun, means we will define noun. Number 2, students will be able to know the definition of selected topic. It means you will be able to understand the term plural countable compound nouns and its definition. Students will use these words in their own sentences. In last, I will give you the homework to use the words in your own sentences. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to define the term plural countable compound nouns. Okay, first of all, we have to know about noun. What is noun? Noun is a Latin language word nomen, or the word noun is taken from Latin language word nomen, that means name. The word noun is taken from Latin language word nomen, that means name. So name, noun is the name of anything, or name of anything is called noun. Students, as you can see many things with your eyes and you name everything. For example, if you are sitting on something, you name it chair, so it becomes noun. If you are writing with something, you call it pen or marker or color marker, so it becomes noun. Means name of anything is called noun. Okay. Number 2, as it was described in our topic, plural countable compound nouns. So students, noun has two numbers. Noun has two numbers, singular number and plural number. As all of you know, singular means only one thing, only one object. Plural number means more than one thing, more than one object. Okay, so how many numbers of noun are there? There are two numbers of noun, singular number that defines just only one object or one thing. Number 2, plural number that defines more than one thing or more than one objects. Okay, so this was the definition of noun. As I told you, I am repeating now. Definition of noun. So noun word is taken from Latin language word nomen, that means name. So name of anything can be called noun, or noun is the name of anything. As it was the topic plural, so we have to know about plural nouns. So noun has two numbers. There are two numbers of noun, singular number, plural number. Singular number that defines a single thing or only one thing or object. Plural number that defines more than one thing or more than one objects. It can be 2, 5, 10, 100, thousands, millions. Okay, that is called plural. But only single thing or only one object will be called in singular number. Okay, number 3 thing to be know is countable nouns. as in our topic you can see I defined noun, then I defined secondly plural, it means number. In third, I am telling you about countable nouns. So, names of such things which can be counted in numbers are called countable nouns. As you can guess, with the name of countable, count means that can be counted in numbers. So, countable nouns means names of such things which can be counted in numbers. For example, one apple, two bats, five boys, 10 cities. These nouns are called countable nouns. And number last, compound. Students, compound word, meaning of the word compound is that is made of more than one word or more than one thing, more than one thing or more than one word. Okay, compound means the thing that is made of more than one word. Okay, so these types are nouns are made of more than one word. These type of nouns are made of more than one word. Example, plural countable compound nouns that are made of more than one word are described here, as you can see in your screen, on your screen. Railway stations, it's a name, railway station, but here we have to know about plural number. I am not writing its singular form here because the topic is about plural countable compound nouns. So as I have written here the examples of the noun plural countable compound railway stations. It means this example, this name is made of more than one word and it can be counted one railway station, two railway stations, or 10 railway stations. You can count it in numbers. So, this example will be in plural countable compound nouns because it is in plural railway stations and we can count it 1, 2 or 3 stations and it is made of more than one word railway station. So it will be the example of plural countable compound nouns. Number 2, petrol pumps. It is the plural form of petrol pump, petrol pumps. Okay, this is the plural form of petrol pump. If you remove the s from the plurals, it will these will become in singular form. Okay, petrol pump. If we remove s, the form will be in singular number. Okay, petrol pumps. It means this word or this example of noun is made of more than one word, petrol pumps. And as you know, we can count it 2 petrol pumps, 5 petrol pumps, 10 petrol pumps, 50 petrol pumps. We can count it in numbers. So now first of all it is plural pumps, petrol pumps. Number 2, we can count it in numbers. Number 3, this example of noun is made of more than two words, more than one word, sorry, that is made of more than one word, petrol pumps. Okay, number 3, fathers-in-law. Father-in-law is the singular form and fathers-in-law is plural form. So as you can see, this example of noun is made of 3 words, made of 3 words, fathers in law. So that will be in plural countable compound nouns because it is plural fathers and we can count it in numbers also. So it will be also countable, and as it is made on more than one word, so it is compound. So this example, or this is the exact example of plural countable compound nouns. Number 4, bus stops. This example of noun is also made on made of two words, more than one word. If an example of noun is made of more than one word, it will be called compound nouns. What it will be called? Compound nouns. But here we can also count bus stops. One bus stop, 5 bus stops, 100 bus stops. So it will be countable compound nouns. Here it is also not a bus stop, it is bus stops. So it is also plural. We can call it plural countable compound nouns because we can count these examples of noun that are which are made of more than one word and are in plural form. So these examples of noun will be in plural countable compound nouns. So students, I hope all of you will understand this topic and it is not so difficult to be understood. So as I am writing, as I have written your homework here, what you have to do in your homework, you have to make out sentences using plural countable compound nouns. As I showed you here, these are the examples of plural countable compound nouns. First of all, you have to make out 5 examples. What you have to do? You have to make out, okay, leave 5. You have to make out just 3 examples of plural countable compound nouns, and you have to use all the 3 examples in your own sentences. It will be your homework. Okay, make easy sentences using plural countable compound nouns. I will check your homework. You can submit your homework on a WhatsApp group. I will check every single homework. Okay students, I hope this lecture will be beneficial for you and you all can understand my language and this lecture. So students, still stay home, save lives. Allah Hafiz.